Hey guys, welcome to SBS Stuff channel. In this video we will learn how to remove background from HD images using a free website. So I have this HD image. It is the resolution of 9000 into 6000 and it is of 6 MB. So I use a website known as remove BG and drag and drop over it and see what happens. It says image resolution too high. So in order to fix this, what we do is we make a copy of it and we edit it with using paint and we resize it to something at lower value like 1000 into 666. That's it, and I save it. So now I drag and drop this copy of 1000 into 666 to remove BG. Now I have this low resolution image file, so I download it. Now I want to remove the background from the HD image. So for that purpose what I do is I drag it and drop it the HD image in Photoshop. I double click it so that I may able to edit it and remove its background. Now I go and download this low resolution image and drag and drop over it. Now I have this. What I do is I transform it so that it overlap the actual file. Now I have this. Now I use magic wand to select all transparent pixels in the remove BG's image. Now I have selected the pixels, and from the original image I hit Ctrl X or delete to remove this background. Now I remove the upper layer, and now I have the HD image with removed background, and now I can save it. I can save it as whatever I like what was the real image name. It was actually in JPEG, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so now let it be saved. So what I did is I took the high resolution image, I resized it using MS Paint into low resolution, and then drag and drop it on the free website remove.pg. After removing the background, I opened the original image in Photoshop, then I dragged and dropped the removed background image over it, and I transform it. You can transform it through free transform or simple transform and scale. And after transforming, I use magic wand to select the transparent pixels from the upper layer and move the transparent pixels from the lower original layer, and then I save that layer. So in this way we can remove the backgrounds from high resolution images. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.